So a while ago somebody asked me how to tell if your bearings are going bad.
If you can go up to the front of the bike and grab your wheel and shake it, and there's play, a lot of play, back and forth in that wheel, your bearings are probably fucked.
Now we said normally there'll be like a kind of a high-pitched squeal, there'll be some resistance. The bearings in this are gone. I don't know which one yet. And yes, it doesn't spin as well, but that's not terribly abnormal. What is abnormal, you can feel it and hear that. That's the wheel actually moving on the shaft in here because the bearing's gone. So we'll take that apart and we'll see what we find. Okay, sprocket carrier bearing is good. So just stick your finger in, give it a spin. You hear that? Bearing's gone. That's gone. The one in there is gone. And so is that one. Yeah, they're all gone. Rear bearings need a total overhaul. So, bearings aren't something I'll deal with myself. I could, but for me it's just not worth the time and the effort. I'd rather take it to a shop and have them do it. Now I know I can get the bearings off of Fort 9 for 40 bucks. So I'm going to call around to a couple different shops, going to see what kind of price I can get on both bearings and the service, because some shops will give you a better deal on service if you buy the bearings through them, blah blah blah. So we'll give them a couple calls and see what we can find out here. Hey, how are you, man? Good, good. How much would it cost to get them? And how much would it cost to have them installed if I bring the wheel into you? Perfect, let's do it, man. So when talking with Valley Yamaha Suzuki, Kirk, it's 20 bucks per bearing, so there's 2 bearings, so 40 bucks, and then like another 12 or 15 bucks for the seals. Half an hour to do the work, where I'm bringing in the tire, or just the wheel. If it goes smoothly, there's no reason it shouldn't come out smoothly and go in smoothly. I had them do it last time, and those bearings are just gone. Like, they're still, I can still see the grease all through it, so it should be relatively inexpensive to do. But yeah, seems like a reasonable price, so why not have them do it? They have all the tools, they've done it a million times, and you're supporting local.